Gourds from Windmill Family Farm.
Big guys are 10,
Oh,
little
wow.
guys are 7.
Wow.
Those are sure cool.
They are.
Yeah, they really are.
Little ducks. I see little ducks in it.
Yeah, wait. Birdhouse squash.
When did you grow them?
All of that, it take about 5 months to grow and then 4 months to cure. So last summer through, and then we harvested them and they've been curing through the winter. And then we brush them with steel wool so they're cleaned up a little bit.
Like,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
and
So,
they have to be in warm weather, no? This year, will they grow here?
to grow.
grow?
Well, they grew. Our farm is just past Watsonville, on the very between here and Moss Landing, towards the coast. It's a little cooler.
Yeah, a little cooler.
But still, this climate.
So they are thick inside.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah.